Hi, I'm Travel Coach Clara. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'll be focusing on two things on my channel. One is my future nomad lifestyle, where I will be traveling around the world with one carry-on bag, a 35-liter travel backpack. I'll also share some tips and tricks about traveling, and I will highlight the gear I'm using. I'll tell you why I picked what I picked and help you get some information that will help you make your own decisions. The other half of my YouTube channel is my travel coaching. If you're looking to have a better travel life, or to have a travel life at all, and you haven't been able to get there on your own, I have the ability to help you achieve your travel goals, be it your first international trip, or wanting to travel solo and needing to move through the anxiety around that, or wanting to become an expat or do what I'm doing, traveling long-term as a nomad. My travel coaching can help you with whatever your travel-related goals are. Feel free to check out my website, travelcoachclara.com. If you'd like to help me grow my channel, please subscribe. If you'd like to be notified when I post new videos, please click the notification button. If you're interested in the products that I show in my travel gear videos, please look in the description below the video and you should find links to all the gear that I use. Thanks for visiting and happy travels.